Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about this problem. What was that word? I know the word. It is on the tip of my tongue. I have been learning this language for so long, but still I can't remember that word that we have learned. We work really hard to improve our vocabulary. Sometimes we feel very happy when we learn some new words, phrases. Okay? But after a certain amount of time, we forget them very easily. Okay? It is the most annoying thing about learning this language. In today's video, we are going to discuss about some ways that can help you to escape of this type of problem. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. First of all, we will try to understand why do we forget some words. Okay, our brain naturally forgets some information that we don't use regularly. Imagine learning a couple of words today. First learn, and if we don't use them, we don't practice them repeatedly, so there is high chance we will forget. Okay, to overcome of it, we need to follow some key strategies. So first key strategy is repetition. Our mind is exceptionally good at forgetting the words. Okay, because our mind has a system which information to hold on and which information forget. So how does it work? It is quite simple. The more you repeat certain information, the more you speak to stick with your mind. Okay, makes your new words and phrases stick to your mind. You need to expose them in repeatedly. Think about the question, where do you live? If someone asks this question to you, where do you live? So you can respond your answer very quickly. You don't need to think about answer, because the piece of information you have automatically in advance, because you have give this answer so many times. You have given this answer so many times. Okay, so yes, repetition is very important. Okay, because we are living in a non English speaking country, so we don't get them exposed naturally. Okay, so in that case, so you can create expose by yourself. Okay, you can expose yourself by watching TV, by listening podcast. Okay, if you're watching any series, then turn subtitle on at that time. Okay, it is a great way to expose yourself in this language. Whenever you come across some new words, phrases, okay, you can write down that word, new word, and keep reviewing that word time to time. For example, if you learn some new words today, review them tomorrow, and then in after 3 days, and then again after 15 days, and later in a month. Okay, so this is the signal. In this way you can give a signal to your brain, then this information is important for you. Coming to my next strategy, that is make English a habit. I know it's very important to start speaking in a initially time, but see, you won't be able to remember some information that you have learned, that you have listened. If you want to hold all the information in your mind, so you need to speak them. Okay, you can start with small. Start with some easy and simple sentences. Okay, you can find a speaking partner. If you have no one, don't worry. Try to start speaking in English with yourself. use some mirror technique, shadowing technique. Practice every single day. The more you speak, the better you become, the better you confident. Okay, in this way you will not forget that new word. So next tip is that connect the word with your life. This is the third strategy. Okay, it, you know, the word can stay in our mind, that you are doing something with that word. It is a personal connection with that word. When you are learning new word, try to connect that word in your regular life. Okay, if you are going somewhere, any place, so the more you connect that word with your story, it will stay in your mind in a long time. It is a part of your life. It is almost important for you that make connection that word in your life. So next strategy is that learn English with fun. Okay, if you have an interest to learn this language, then you can easily give your maximum time. Okay, and if you are feel boring to learn this language, so hardly you can give only 10 or 15 minutes, hardly. So yes, it's very important that you have a desire, you have a fun, you have a excitement for learning this language. So learn this language with fun, learn this language with excitement. Moving on to my next tip, that is swap your old habit. It is a question that how do you spend your during day? You just grab your phone and start scrolling reels. When I started learning this language, the best thing that I did not waste my time. If you start using your time more productively, it will a game changer habit for you. Okay, so start learning this language in your free time. You can find some books, you can find some movie that is in English. So yes, it is about creating connection, building confidence, and the most thing is that patience. Every step forward for learning this language, start using these strategies, and I promise you will never have to worry about forgetting that you have learned new words. So I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.